from PUP. Happy birthday, Kuya Rai. God bless you.
Hello, I just want to greet a very happy birthday to a wonderful brother and a good friend of mine, Ryan Angeles. I know it's just another older year for you, but never mind, it's just an age. They said age start at 40, but you're nearly there. Oh, just kidding. I just want to wish for your birthday that may God continue to bless your life and give the desires of your heart. And bro, once again, happy good health. All the best, bro. And I know that I don't keep in touch much, but always remember that you always kept in my heart. I love your birthday.
Hello bro Rai, kamusta na? Happy birthday pala. Hindi ko nahahabaan tong message na to kasi nasa work ako. So, ingat na lang lagi dyan. Wish you all the best. Sana makapagdesabol ka pa ng marami. And good health bro all year round. Salamat ulit. Happy birthday. Love you and miss you.
Sige na.
And I'd like to thank you for sending me inspiring text every day. And I just hope that you will spread all the love and your towards to your compliments. Take care always and keep going. Pray for me always and we love you. Bye.
Oo, nga sige, happy birthday.
Happy birthday pala.
Happy 21st birthday. Dibu mo na. Anong handa natin dyan? Sa CK, 21 pa lang siya. Sa CK Junior ulit yung handaan. Ano sasabihin ka sa'yo? Sabi daw, maganda ang kailangan sabihin sa'yo. Pero ang masama man lang sa loob ko na maganda yung sasabihin ko. Sige na nga. Thank you for being a friend, a brother. Thank you lahat sa mga messages na sinasend. You're a man that is full of wisdom. And pati sa mga disipulo mo, pati yung mga tao mo, nag-send sa akin ng mga messages. Yeah, thank you din. Nakaka-enlighten yun every day. At the same time, I hope and pray lahat ng mga dreams mo will come true. And
Eder, wala
you
pa si
always
Eder.
be a better man. Diba? Better man talaga. So, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. And God bless you. Take care. Happy first birthday. Bye.